I? Plot summary. While admiring herself in the mirror, Nell the bird asks herself who she is. She discovers a hat and a scarf in a box, puts them on, and is pleased with her image. She thinks she is so beautiful that she wants to run and show herself off. With mirror in hand, she observes herself top to toe as she frolics outside. Nell is having so much fun with her mirror that she doesn't pay attention to where she is going and runs right into the water in all her finery. Then she has to admit that she is a mess. See the feet.
Who am I? I am Nell. See me. Meet me. Am I Nell? Yes, I am. See this? What is it? See me in this. Who am I? What is this? Who is this? Is it Nell? Yes, it is. See them on me. I run and run. This is fun. What is that? See the feet run. What is that? Is it the sun? Yes, it is.
Nell fell. See the feet.
Who is that? Is it Nell? Yes, it is. What am I? I am a mess.